Today with 2015 Regal. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors, interval wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, climate control, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, leather interior. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.